Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today's video is a life motivation and busy mom homemaking video. I'm just going to take you along and kind of show you what I'm getting done in a couple of days here. I know sometimes it can be hard to stay motivated, and I'm finding it that way lately, so I just wanted to share a motivational video for you guys. So let's get started with the video. All right, so as you guys know, we've been so busy going back and forth for hockey. On this morning, I was heading out the door because I was heading to Pacey's school to bring him back. He'd been home for the weekend, so we're just packing up all his stuff. It is about 6 a.m. and the drive is about 3 hours and 15 minutes, and we gain an hour because we're crossing time zones. So he will be at school by 8:45 a.m. So this is basically what it's been like about once a week or once every 2 weeks. We'd been doing this in the winter. This way he gets to come home and still visit with us and hang out and sleep in his own bed for a night or two. So we're just packing up and going to hit the road here. And sometimes I would stay a night. Sometimes I would just stay for the day and then head home in the evening. So usually after I dropped him off at school, I would hit up Caribou Coffee, grab myself a little breakfast and a coffee and get some work done. So this is just me at the coffee shop enjoying a little bit of a souffle, and this morning I had a cup of tea actually, and then I was just on my computer getting some work done. And then after working for a couple of hours, I would check into the hotel. I like to stay at the Canal Park Lodge in Duluth actually. It is a cozy lodge-like hotel. It is right on the lake, as you can see outside the window. There's the boardwalk. I can head out and walk along the lake shore, get some fresh air. There was not very much snow this winter, so we didn't have to battle that, and it was actually mild temperatures. So when I need to clear my mind, just get some fresh air, I just head outside. But I also do my work on my computer right here. This is my little workspace in the room, and yeah, that's basically kind of what I've been up to. I know I haven't been posting a lot of videos lately because I've been juggling all these different things. Hey guys, so I just wanted to show you guys, I ordered 2 new perfumes from Dossier. I've ordered a few of them before, I've showed you guys. So I just wanted to show you the new ones I got because I'm so obsessed with them. They are designer inspired. You're paying a fraction of the cost. It is so much better than spending like $200-300 a bottle on perfume when you can have so many more that smell delicious, just like the brand, for a fraction of the cost. So I got this one, which is Fruity Honey. The Fruity Honey is inspired by Jo Malone Nectarine Blossom and Honey Cologne. It smells so good. And then the next one I have is this one, which is Floral Lavender. And this one is inspired by YSL Libre Eau de Parfum. So both delicious perfumes, you guys. I have a coupon code for you guys down below in the description box and the link. So check these out. I'm gonna be ordering more of them, so I will show you more perfumes in upcoming videos, but I just want to show you guys these. All right guys, so it's been mass chaos around here. I've been doing a lot of traveling for hockey, so I haven't been able to film a lot lately, but I'm just basically jumping right into another part of this video here. I am trying to get these, like this yellowness out of these white sheets. Well, they used to be white sheets with kind of purple flowers on it, but it kind of got yellow and dingy over time. So I'm just soaking it in some Oxy, and I can see the water is already getting dirty. So I'm going to leave this probably for a couple of hours and come back and check on it shortly. But I'm hoping to get these sheets looking clean again. If not, then I'll probably just chuck them. But I can see that the water, you can see the little foggy. I can see the water is actually getting pretty dingy and dirty looking. So maybe I can revive these sheets. I just wanted to get some organizing done in my kitchen today. I am always organizing in my kitchen. We are always in and out. I know I say this like in every video, but I'm trying so hard to be organized and get systems in place to make my life easier. So I picked up a bunch of these containers. I'm planning on making a salad bar in my fridge drawer. So I saw this post on Instagram where this woman made a salad bar in her fridge drawer. We have the same fridge. It is the GE fridge. I can't exactly remember which one it is, but when you pull out the drawer, you have like a temperature option. It is so versatile. So I'm going to make this into a giant salad bar. So all the containers are going to have lids. Everything is going to be prepped: lettuce, tomatoes, like cucumbers, all sorts of veggies, like all sorts of cool stuff. And then you can switch it up for whatever you want, just to kind of change it up and keep it fresh and new. So this drawer needed a good deep cleaning. So I didn't know, but the whole drawer literally comes out of the fridge and you can toss it into your sink. I thought I was going to have to wipe it out, and I can't remember how I discovered it, but I just like kind of lifted the drawer and I noticed that it pops right out. So it is so amazing for cleaning because it just makes it so much easier. So I got that all scrubbed out. These little dividers are adjustable. Everything was so easy to do. I was going to film myself like prepping the veggies, but it just got crazy busy. But this is the end result. So it is amazing. We've got some spinach. We've got alfalfa sprouts. We've got spring mix. I did cherry tomatoes, edamame beans. We've got some chopped up red peppers, broccoli, and everything is already washed and ready to use. And so I just keep a pair of tongs in here as well. So it's easy just to grab your bowl, grab the tongs, and then put what you want in your salad bowl. And then all you have to do is get some dressing on there. I have to do my fridge next, like the rest of it, but I also got this little condiment container from Cuisinart. It has little compartments. You can use this for when you have people over, if you're having a barbecue or a potluck or something like that. So now I just wanted to show you guys my Bellway Super Fiber and Fruit supplement I've been adding to my water. It's a psyllium husk prebiotic fiber supplement. It is so good for you, you guys. Keeping your gut healthy is important because it can affect your whole body, especially your digestive system, weight, immune system, heart, brain, hair, skin, and nails. And I've found that this supplement really takes care of your gut. It helps you maintain that weight, reduces bloating, and has so many other amazing benefits. It is an organic, all-natural, vegan, keto, paleo-friendly, and gluten-free fiber supplement, and it contains 0 sugar. It is flavored with real fruit, so it tastes like a fruity lemonade. It is so yummy. I have a special coupon code for you guys. You'll get 25% off of your first order at Bellway. Head on down to the description box down below, and I will have a link there for you. All right, guys, so now that the fridge salad bar is all done, I'm just going to go ahead and put a bunch of this stuff away that got left out. And then once I wipe down the island, I'm going to make a banana cake. I've been meaning to make this forever. In our old house, the original house that I started filming my YouTube videos in, I used to bake and cook like all the time. The kids were a lot younger and their schedules weren't as busy. Now that they're older, our schedules are insane, especially like right in the middle of hockey season. I think on this night we had a game at 9 o'clock. So I think it's 7:30 p.m. at this time, and I'm literally scrambling, trying to get the kitchen clean, trying to make this banana cake for them because I know they like when I make homemade baking, and I don't have too much time. So we are rushing to get this done. And anyhow, the recipe that I'm going to use is from Sally's Baking Addiction. I've made a few of her recipes. They're always really good. This one seemed to have all the ingredients that I like to use for a banana cake. I've made a couple in the past, but I don't remember what recipes they were. So I went ahead earlier today, made sure I had all of the ingredients, and I always like scroll right down past all of the pictures and everything. Just give me the recipe. I'm in a hurry. I just need to know what I need and how to throw this together. So at this point I've got about an hour, so I'm going to go ahead and get this oven turned on so it can preheat, and then I'm going to throw this banana cake together. I know about you guys, but sometimes I just store my pans in the oven when they're not in use, but it's okay, it's a good storage spot. My pantry is a little bit clean. There's still a few things that I need to put away. As you can see, the trim still needs to be put up. Hockey season, like I said, is almost over, so I'm hoping Jeff will have a little bit more time to get some of that trim work finished up. So these bananas are perfect for cake making. They are just right. They are overly ripe, but not too disgusting. I just threw away a bunch of bananas yesterday that were like really like overly ripe. So these are nice and perfect. I'm just going to go ahead and peel off these bananas and get these into a bowl. And for mashing up the bananas, I just like to use a pastry cutter. I just go ahead and smush them all together until they are all blended up nice and smooth. Now I'm just going to go ahead and mix together all of the dry ingredients. In my pantry, I put together a baking drawer, so all of my baking supplies are basically in one drawer, so it's really nice and easy, convenient. I just go in there and grab what I need from the drawer. I usually like to do everything on my kitchen island, but I also have the space in the pantry if I just want to mix together some stuff in there as well. So I put in the baking powder, flour, also some cinnamon, and some baking soda. You guys will have to check the recipe. I'll make sure that I link that in the description box because I'm not really listing off the quantities or anything like that. I'm just kind of describing what I'm doing. So I'm also going to go ahead and melt some of this butter. That's going to get blended up with the bananas. And then once the wet ingredients and the dry ingredients are mixed in separate bowls, then we will mix them together. If you guys have baked before, you know that a lot of recipes require you to do that. It just makes the ingredients blend together so much better. Now I'm going to go ahead and just add that brown sugar. I keep my brown sugar in the OXO press and seal containers. It's got that button in the middle and it just kind of seals everything together in there, and it keeps moisture from coming in or moisture from escaping, so it's perfect. But I do find that for the brown sugar, you still should keep a piece of bread in there. It was a little bit more dry than I would have liked it to be, so if I would have put an end piece of bread in there, it would have been much softer. So I'm gonna have to do that when I put that brown sugar away. So I'm just trying to cream this all together, but like I said, the brown sugar was a little bit more dry than I wanted it to be, but it turned out fine. It didn't affect the cake whatsoever. So I'm just adding some eggs into this now, and we're mixing it together with the hand mixer. All right, so now I'm just going to add the mushed up bananas, and then we can go ahead and get all of these ingredients blended together. So one of the things I wanted to do, I'm actually going to be filming another video later today after I'm done editing this. I came across a recipe for English muffins and it looked easy enough, and the recipe claims that they are so much better than store-bought, so I wanted to go ahead and try that. So I'm going to film that for you guys and just let you know how it turns out. But I'm excited to see what it's like to have homemade English muffins, because honestly, I've never ever had homemade, not at restaurants or at home or anything at all. So I'm just really curious how those will turn out. All right, this is all combined together nicely. So I'm gonna go ahead and pour this into my baking dish. So I just gave it a quick spray with some olive oil cooking spray. I put the batter in, and then I'm just going to go ahead and put this into the oven. Now, while this is baking, I'm going to wash the rest of the dishes over there. I'm pretty sure that I didn't end up filming that just because I was in such a hurry. I just wanted to work as fast as I could, so I didn't want to have to worry about moving the camera or anything like that. So that's got to bake for 40 minutes. I'm literally on a time crunch because I have to bolt out the door to get to the hockey game in time. So I'm going to get to work with those dishes. The other thing I had to do also before I left was make the icing. So this is a cream cheese icing. The recipe is also included on that recipe. So like I said, it will be linked down below. So it's just cream cheese, butter, and some icing sugar, and then some vanilla. It is so delicious. I love cream cheese frosting. So this is going to go perfectly on top of that banana cake. So I'm just whipping this together so it is nice and fluffy. As you can see, it's got a nice airy texture to it. It's not too dense, so this is going to spread nicely on the cake. Honestly, I think I tasted it, I don't know how many times, maybe like 3 or 4 times. It is so good. I love, love, love cream cheese frosting. It is also delicious on carrot cake. I haven't made carrot cake in a long time, so I'd really like to make that soon as well if I can find the time. Okay, so this is hilarious, you guys. Everybody could not wait to dig in. As soon as it came out of the oven, I let it cool for like 10 minutes and they could not wait. So I put it by the kitchen window. I opened the window and there was a lot of cold air coming in. So it cooled off quite quickly, but still not enough that the icing wasn't melting a little bit. So I just put the icing where we were going to be cutting right away, and I'll just let the other side of it cool. We are trying to hurry up so we can leave. So I gave everybody a little piece and then we ran out the door. As you can see, the kitchen is mostly clean. I mean, there's still a little bit of clutter I need to put away. I still have many of those containers left so I can keep the other part of my fridge organized. So that will be in one of my upcoming videos. So make sure you guys are subscribed so you guys don't miss any of those videos. Hit that little notification bell and make sure you give the videos a thumbs up, and I'll see you guys next time in the next video. Bye.